Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the body from your frame. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a line approximately ½ inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Step 3. Our part features perforated plates that you can remove to fit over your existing rear body mount and spare tire crossmember. If you decide to keep your mount or crossmember, remove the plates at this time. If not, cut off your mount, crossmember, and any obstructions in the work area. Our part also features a perforated section that allows you to bend the frame section outwards to fit over the radius of your frame rail. After preparing your frame section, grind the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take your replacement rear frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can use C-clamps to secure your part, ensuring a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Avoid welding the flared end of your frame section at this stage. Then, after welding on your frame section, use a hammer to push the flared section of your frame section against the rounded end on your frame rail. Once it is flush with the frame rail, tack it into place before welding it on fully. Oftentimes, the spare tire crossmember's bracket is rusted where it meets the frame rail. We recommend cutting a piece off of the perforated plate you cut off earlier and welding it against your frame section to patch up the rotted area. If you decided to remove your rear body mount or spare tire crossmember, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!